you're doing last looks, alright, make sure you're happy with it.
We're good.
You're happy?
Yes.
Okay, I can go now?
I grew up as a kid in the city, on the west side of Chicago. There weren't a lot of opportunities for us either during that time. And to see us changing lives, because I truly believe we're changing lives. And it's a lot of teens and young adults out here that are positively trying to change the world. I can do what people may not think I can do. I can do things that I didn't know I could do myself. And I think that's more important than anything, to let them know that you are more than what you see on the news. You are more than what you see on TV.
As a kid, I always thought that I would be helping my community in some kind of way. And so, you know, to do it as a teacher and then to do it with the Brown House experience is just a great thing. Especially being that we control the Brown House experience, so we can bring in different elements that sometimes public schools can't bring in. And so that's what I love about it.
I used to be real bad and like disrespect everybody, but since I've been in this program, I actually changed my attitude and changed my grades, and now I'm just a new person.
If you can change the whole aura of a room negatively, if we teach them how to change that, take that same energy and make it positive, they can change the world.
It showed me that there's a lot of things that you can do in this world if you put your mind to it.
I love to see the light in their eyes when they get to do something hands-on. They've never experienced it. They're exposed to things that are outside of their realm of things that they think that they can do. I love that. I love to see that spark that comes alive. Like, this is something that I could possibly do one day and be successful at it and make a living out of it and really support my family.
The one that I had liked the most was electricians. So we had that for 4 weeks. We're on the 3rd week right now. They demonstrated to us, they show us how to bend pipes, all that.
The goal is for them to be able to become productive in society, to be able to be that citizen that reaches back, gives back, helps, you know, and basically raise your kids to be productive citizens in society. You know, you want them to be able to get great jobs, provide for your family, not worry about where your next meal is coming from, which a lot of them have to deal with that, you know.
I think I'm going to be different in the future because like this program really helped me a lot, like with my attitude and structure and how I talk to people. So like in the future, I think like I'm just gonna be a better person.
This is my community. It's fulfilling. It gives me, it makes me feel like I have a purpose. I'm about to cry. A purpose. I'm not here just to only be a mom, a wife, that I can make a difference in the lives of kids all across the city. There are people out here that love you and want and are really pushing for you to succeed. And we're those people, and we're connecting you to even more people that want you to succeed and that you can call on. So that's what I want for the Brown House, and for future kids, just to know that they are more than enough.